Musibya Mutaba Nyabwene Basebo. My name is Hope Kobusinge. I'm a trustee in the Bank of Uganda Defined Contribution Scheme. I'm here in Mombasa, courtesy of Finet Institute. I have come to attend a training on governance, risk management and audit processes in retirement schemes. So I thank Finet for starters for this opportunity to be able to travel to this neighboring place of ours, beautiful Mombasa. And I also thank Finet for the opportunity to train us in some of these principles of the operation of any retirement scheme. My take home from this session has been more of the need for all schemes to strengthen their governance structures, and more also to put in place policies to guide the processes of their operations. Now for me, that is my take home. I would have to do, together with my team, we'd have to do a review of all the policies needed to be in compliance with the regulations, with best practices, and to make the scheme a better and a safe institute for members and their funds. Thank you so much.